Ross Tavel here from Remax Absolute Realty, here to give you the monthly real estate update for June 2020. I'm glad to be here, and I hope that you are all standing apart together. I can't help but feel a sense of accomplishment as a community now that the economy is opening up and we're starting to see low numbers of new cases of COVID 19 consistently on a daily basis. I just want to congratulate you all. I really care for everyone here, and I just am so happy that we're starting to come out of this phase and returning to a more normal life, whatever that may be. Today I'm going to be talking about the monthly and weekly statistics from the Ottawa Real Estate Board. I'm just going to go over quickly about some of the unemployment rates because I believe employment and real estate values do coincide. Just want to let you know of a couple of virtual events that I'm going to be hosting over the next month. In terms of the monthly statistics here in Ottawa, in May, we sold 1,345 units, which is a 44% decrease relative to 1 year ago from right now. It's certainly a big improvement from April, as we were 55% down. And I believe that our inventory has increased roughly by about 60%. So, a lot of good things. I see a lot of new listings coming to market. Residential homes are up by 11.2% year over year. The average sale price of a house was $548,140 for the month of May. Condominiums are up 15.2% in value year over year. The average condominium price is $343,589. In May 2020, the unemployment rate was 7.7%. That's up about 2% relative to a year ago. Not great, but when you consider the unemployment rate in Canada, which is now 13.7%, I think we're really in a fantastic market and we're poised to do very well. Job losses, they've occurred in areas like construction, trade services, the financial sector, business and building services, accommodation and food service, and public administration. Okay. Last week was a very interesting week. We had sold about 432 homes, residential homes, that is. 11 of them actually were over $1 million. And out of those 432 sales last week, 248 were over ask. We're still in a very healthy market. There's still a lot of pent up demand and not enough inventory. But I can see right now the inventory is starting to grow. I would say this is right now the market is. It feels very similar to the beginning of a normal spring, even though we're in the middle of June right now. Condominiums, 72 sold last week, and 40 of them were over ask. So the condominium market too is very healthy. So I'm really happy with the way things are going, and I see us coming out of this really well. And I get asked all the time, what happens if you want to downsize to a condominium or a retirement home in this market? And so I'm starting to put together a webinar, and I'm going to be hosting that on June 22nd at 3 p.m. Okay. Check my Facebook page for more details on that. I'm going to put an event on there. I'm going to use the Zoom software and hope to see everybody there. I'm also going to do a virtual open house on June 17th between 3 and 4 p.m. Check my Facebook page for more information. Virtual open house for 38 Metropole Private Unit 801. Thank you all for watching this video. I want to wish you all the very best. Be brave, and let's have faith and hope that we're going to get through this together. Ross Tavel from Remax Absolute, signing off.